This festive season, your holiday destination might not be sorted, but then we are here to sort your pictures. This is Vivo V29e, a phone perfectly designed to capture your moments with precision. Imagine you are out there on your adventure and you are vlogging. Its optical stabilization feature is going to blow your minds with perfect vlogs. Now to know more about this phone, let's dive into the video and get started. Vivo is about to drop a bombshell in the Indian smartphone market with its upcoming release, the Vivo V29e. The company has officially confirmed that the smartphone will be launching on August 28. The launch event will be live streamed on all social media channels at 12 p.m. on August 28. The Vivo V29e is a true stunner with a curved 3D display that's not only sleek but also a true fashion statement. The screen flaunts a centrally aligned hole punch cutout housing a powerful selfie camera that's ready to capture your best angles. This phone proudly boasts the title of the slimmest smartphone with a curved screen in the Rs 25,000 to 30,000 range. It's not just a device, it's a masterpiece. Photography enthusiasts, listen up. Vivo is taking your game to the next level. Prepare to be blown away by the rare camera setup, a jaw-dropping 64-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky shots and hello to picture-perfect moments. And for those flawless selfies and video chats, the 50-megapixel front camera has your back. But wait, there's more. The Vivo V29e isn't just about performance, it's a style icon too. Available in artistic red and artistic blue, both sporting a color-changing rear glass panel that's sure to turn heads. Keep in mind though, the color-changing Wizard Eye is exclusively reserved for the artistic red variant. With its sleek 7.57mm profile and a weight of just 180.5 grams, you'll be carrying sophistication in your pocket. Under the hood, the Vivo V29e packs a punch that's hard to ignore. Choose between the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage or the beefier 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage configurations. Powered by Android 13-based FunTouch OS 13, this smartphone is armed with either the Snapdragon 480 5G SoC or the Snapdragon 480 plus 5G SoC for seamless performance and multitasking. And don't worry about running out of juice. With its robust 4600 mAh battery and support for 80-watt charging, you're in for a worry-free experience. The colors available on the device include black and blue. And there you have it, folks, the Vivo V29e, a soon-to-be revelation that's got us all on the edges of our seats. August 28th is the date, Flipkart is the place, and innovation is the game. Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below and hit the like button if you're excited as we are.